Here are all the birds I've seen in my backyard, and a little fact about them. Sorry, squirrels, you don't get to be in the video this time. Juncos. Juncos are called snowbirds because in most states they come there in winter only. Mourning doves. They're one of the only birds that can have eggs any time in the year. Robins. Some robins do stay in winter, so sometimes keep an eye out in winter. House finches. In 1940, a small number of house finches being sold illegally as caged birds were released near New York City. All the house finches. White-throated sparrows. There is a white morph and a tan striped morph. Harris's sparrows. Harris's sparrows are found from Nebraska to a straight line down in the United States. Downy woodpeckers, the smallest and most common woodpeckers. House sparrows aren't native in the United States at all. Blue jays do alert birds of a hawk's presence, but they can take over the feeder if they want to. Cooper's hawks. Cooper's hawks are pretty common, and to keep the element of surprise, they come down on prey from the sun. Goldfinches. The American goldfinch is the only songbird that feeds its young a diet of seeds. Grackles. Grackles can take over bird feeders too. They even can hunt bats. American crows. American crows have calls to assemble and disperse their flock. Red-winged blackbirds. In parts of North America, the red-winged blackbird's call can signal spring. Northern cardinals. Cardinals have expanded their range west. Red-breasted nuthatches. Red-breasted nuthatches prefer conifers or pine trees in all seasons. Black-capped chickadees. Chickadees are friendly and can actually grow extra brain cells. There are a few more birds that I've seen but haven't got videos of, like the brown-headed cowbird and the starling. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you see some more birds in your backyard. Bye!